Welcome back, guys. My name's Ben from Flow Brackets. Today I'm going to show you how to put number plates onto a F82 M4. But this theory basically applies to almost every BMW that's out there, because every BMW has basically two holes in the boot or bumper. They're 232 millimeters apart, and that hole doesn't exist in any Australian number plate. And why we're doing this instead of using the plastic backing plates that are commonly used by the dealership is because of theft. When thieves see this number plate backing, and it's easy to see because the backing plate is actually bigger or larger than the number plate, which doesn't look very good. Ours will be slimline, smaller than the number plate, so that your number plates will always look floaty. But the key thing is theft. When thieves see this number plate backing, they notice it straight away. They'll just go up to the car. You don't even need a screwdriver. You can just get your fingers behind it, pull, and because it's made out of plastic, it'll snap and they're gone. So with that out of the way, let's take this off, get our number plate bracket onto it. Because it's made out of aluminium, it can't be stolen. The first thing that we're going to do is remove the 4 screws so that we can take the cover off. Pop down the cover, don't drop the number plate. And this gives you access to the holes or screws holding this plastic bracket on. To give you a better understanding of how flimsy this can be, you can also flex this out and over, and you can actually take this off, but I just don't want to damage this customer's car, so we'll take the screw completely out. And as you can see, we've given it a bit of a clean, but you can still see all of this scuffing. And this is something we see way too often. Most dealerships, the common practice is to grab a backing plate, a plastic one, screw it straight onto the car. But over time, as you can see, dirt and driving and vibration is going to eat away at your paint. And that's something you really don't want to do. Our kit will come with some standoff spacers, so nothing touches the paint. It'll prolong the life of your car and the paint. That is definitely something you want to avoid. We've now given the car a bit of a polish, quite a light polish. We weren't able to get everything out, but I think this customer is quite lucky because I don't think that the scratching or marring has really gone past the paintwork and onto the metal. So I think it's not going to rust. It's pretty superficial at the moment. I think that at this level, the customer is lucky. Any competent detailer, that's definitely not me, should be able to sort of have a deeper cut and polish and get those out, but you are going to thin out the paint. Okay, so the next step is to get a proper number plate bracket. We sell a number plate bracket for almost every style and size of number plate in Australia, so just make sure that you identify what number plate you have, what style it is, what size it is, and buy the matching number plate bracket. This customer is running some Victorian Deluxe Slimlines. That's going to use our SL2 bracket. If not, almost every number plate bracket that we sell is going to bolt to the BMW OEM holes, 232 millimeters apart, like this. Just remember that when you're attaching a number plate bracket to the back of any BMW, put spacers behind it to step it off the paint so nothing touches the paint. All of our kits will be providing black stainless steel hardware. They don't rust. We also provide you with the keys or Allen keys to put in the bolts. And another fun fact, all of our brackets will have this marking for BMWs so that you can align the middle of the bolt with our marking so that it takes measuring out of the equation for you. Now that we've got our number plate onto the car, it's stuffed all the paint so that nothing touches. The last step is to get our number plate onto the bracket. Before you do that, make sure that you check out our range of optional accessories like this customer has chosen for security screw, which is a bit of an anti-theft or deterrent for thieves. It does come with a security key so that you can open and close the bolt. And that's the cleanest way you're going to get floating number plates onto the back of any BMW, because most BMWs or almost all BMWs share the same 2-hole bolt pattern. We sell a number plate bracket for almost every number plate in Australia. So all you need to do is match up the style and size of number plate that you have with a bracket, and bolt it onto the car, and it's going to be super secure because they're made out of aluminium. All of our hardware is made from black stainless steel so they don't rust, and we also offer security screw options so that no one can steal your number plate. Head over to the website at flowbrackets.com.au and check out the options that we have for your car.